the jar that he used, this thing called a Leyden jar, is something we're going to use today. In it, there was a glass jar, and there was foil on the outside and foil on the inside. The two foils don't touch. They're separated. And if you let electricity go in, and there's a gold chain that touches the foil, suppose it's all negative guys. The negative guys go in there and they hate each other. They all spread out on the inside. And when negative guys go on the inside, it attracts positive guys on the outside. Like that. And they call that thing a capacitor. Anytime you can get one charge to attract another, you have a sort of a capacitor. And you took a wire from the antenna and put it down on the hamsters. Then you'd ride under the power lines. The antenna would pick up some of the electricity from the power lines, and the hamsters would get energized and go faster. And he could beat Jill in races with his hamsters going that way. Jill said, wow, that's really good. Well, one time Jack was riding under the power lines over the hill here, and he came up over a rise, and his antenna hit the power lines. And his hamsters exploded. He said, oh man, too close, bad. So he had to make his antenna lower. Going to use a 6-volt battery. Woo! Takes 40 volt to get through your fingers. And we're going to hook them up to some of the capacitors and see what they do. Usually if you put a battery like this on a light, the light will light up. That guy's the negative, goes to the negative.
Oversized capacitor.
And Z positive.
Man, this is go negative to positive.
Try it.
It's good.
One time. With these voltages, it won't hurt.
Now it's good.
And now you can take the wires off. The electricity went into the capacitor. And you can touch the light bulb to it and see.
That didn't work.
Da, da, da.
That's cool.
It lit up for a second.
You have the lights. You have the strong one.
Yeah.
Strong one. They have,
Go between those two.
it's rubber. It doesn't connect with rubber.
Oh, you got it? I was just
Yeah, mine's
Okay.
very short.
Now that you know how to charge it and discharge it with a light bulb, then you charge it back up again and try it with a screwdriver.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
No, yeah, magnet. It's awesome.
Unstick it.
Very good. Okay, here, let's try. Show you a trick. See,
Has everybody had a chance to do a big one and a little one?
No, we haven't done a big one.
I haven't done
Okay.
a silver one.
You're going to charge up your capacitor and put aluminum foil between them and see what it does to the aluminum foil.
Yeah.
What?
Look, see?
plant.
The big ones. You just have to hold it now.
Mr. Mac, we leave the two alligator clips on the same side, right?
It's like a
Yours
volcano.
is good the way it is.
Alright.
Okay.
Whoa, is that you or
What's that? Oh, you
I
can
feel
click them right onto the top.
Whoa, when I
I'm not getting any
Mikey, what
strikes
happened?
with
it's
this
like
one.
this?
holes through the foil.